PFSA, Profusa.
Yep. This one is moving on a couple of things. I think that because of the volume on Friday, if you look at a daily chart, we're moving on relative volume. But there was also news that this company is going to be acquiring Pro Insights LLC for approximately $30 million in stock. I had the resistance at $2. We just popped above that briefly, but we're still getting some of that resistance because we've gone back down. But the support is at VWAP. Now, the thing about this deal here that they've made is that they don't have a stock that's valued $30 million. They're going to do this through, like commons or preferreds. They're going to be diluting their shares in order to make this deal happen. So they've said that in their, if you read the 6 a.m. Print this morning, that's in there. It's going to be paid in equity securities. So dilution is coming. Now, it might be preferred, so it might not be immediate, but just putting that out there. That's how they're planning on making this deal happen. And that's basically what I've got for this one. So if we can still continue to get support from VWAP, which we might, we should come back up and take out 2. 2 is going to be the big resistance. We just hit it, but we need to. I think we need to wait and see what happens toward the open.
Okay, now I see somewhat the makings of a trend line here. It's not perfect, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start in the after hours from Thursday, and I'm going to run through some of the morning highs here today. This sets up a target here. Now, really good stuff on the possible dilution concerns here. So I think the one thing that we should look at is that this is a target for today only.
Yeah, and I don't know when that is going to happen. It could happen as early as today, but it might not. So as long as you're willing to trade that, just understand what the risk is. They could, do that the dilution as early as today.